guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do a get ready with me. Okay, so typically you see me do these on TikTok, but I thought, you know, these are my favorite videos to film, so let's just do one for YouTube and we can get a little bit more personal, make our time, you know what I mean? Obviously, for those of you that have come from my TikTok, you know that I basically started doing TikTok videos with get ready with me's. That was kind of what kicked it all off for me. So yeah, that's kind of what I just started doing, and ever since then, like, I have continued to make those videos and love them. The only thing about TikTok is I just feel like you can't be as personal because, you know, you're like at a time limit. So you really have to shorten and concise your videos into like a really short format, and I feel like YouTube allows you to talk to your audience more and just kind of, you know, chill and get ready together. So that's what we're gonna do today. I don't think you guys understand how long I've been wanting to do YouTube. I think we all went through that phase in like 6th grade when we had our own YouTube channels and we were posting like YouTube videos, but when I started TikTok, it was kind of just an outlet because I really wanted to do YouTube, but my phone doesn't film the greatest quality of videos, and the camera's okay, but like it's really an audio issue. That was the biggest problem with my phone, and I didn't want to start my YouTube channel on a bad note, you know what I mean? I wanted a nice camera, I wanted good audio, I wanted to make good content that I really enjoy making, and when I'm so passionate about something, I want it to be good. But yeah, I got a camera. I have a Sony ZV-1F. So far, I've loved it. I love all the features with it. You can do so much with it, and it's turned out so far amazing, and it's really easy to use. So I'm so excited to start my YouTube because if you guys came from my TikTok, I've been talking about this for, at this point, probably like 7 months now, because I was talking about starting a YouTube channel before I even came to college, and I'm in my 2nd semester of college, so time flies. But enough of that, let's get into why we're all here for the get ready with me. So I have 2 classes today. It's a Friday, so thank God the week is done. I don't think I could give any more this week, you know? Yesterday was so nice because my only class that I have on Thursdays is my discussion session for sociology at 12, and it got canceled. So that was really nice. But today I have my anatomy class and chemistry, my literally 2 hardest classes that I have. I'm actually really excited for today because Max and I are going to his little sister's play, and I'm so excited. I freaking love her, his little sister. She's literally the sweetest human being alive. Like, she's just so sweet. I fucking love her. So I'm so excited to see that, and then I'm also probably gonna swing by my parents' house because I just miss my parents, you know? I feel like I haven't seen them in forever, so yeah, I'm really excited to see them too. Okay, so we went ahead and did the e.l.f. Halo Glow, and then we're gonna go in with concealer. I have been absolutely obsessed with the Tower 28 concealer. This is in the shade DTLA. I got it kind of closer to just my natural skin tone, so that I could keep it really natural, but this concealer, you guys, if you have dry under eyes, you will absolutely love this concealer. It is just so good. To get into the point of this video, it was really just to have you guys get to know me. So as I've been talking about kind of this whole video, I did start my content creation journey on TikTok. I started by posting get ready with me's, and I just had a lot of fun doing get ready with me's, and that kind of branched off into lifestyle type videos, fashion. I have done a few like vlogs on TikTok, and that's really like what my niche is, very fashion, very beauty, lifestyle type. And I just like to be really like personable with you guys and you guys to know everything that's going on in my life. Okay, we're going in with the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Stick. This is in the shade Light Medium. This product, when I tell you guys, I have never used a better cream bronzer. I mean it, truly. This and the Say Dew Bronze are like my favorite bronzers ever. But anyways, I have really gone into detail about a lot of my life on TikTok. So if you guys want to know, you know, really like a lot of the ins and outs, go watch my Get Ready With Me's on TikTok. My TikTok will be in the description, so you guys can go look at that if you want to, if you're a fresh face on my YouTube and haven't been to any of my other socials. I know a lot of my my close friends are like supporting me through this and like watching my YouTube, and I freaking love it. It's so cute when people are like, I love watching your TikToks. Like it makes me feel so good, because I think when I first started TikTok, I was just so insecure about it, and I just, you know, you just feel kind of like everyone's judging you, which isn't the case. Okay, let's talk about that for a second. Okay, we're going in with the Saie Dew Blush. This is in the shade Rosy. This blush, man, it's stunning. It's fucking gorgeous. Anyways, let's talk about like the judgment side of social media, because I feel like when I first started on like posting TikTok videos, obviously like I don't have a big following on any of my social medias, so it was like, you know, you can kind of feel a little dumb, a little stupid, but I think like getting over that hump was like the greatest thing for me, because now that I'm in college, first of all, I don't see the same people every single day, so like that changes a lot of things, but truly, no one cares. No one cares. And if someone does care, and if they're talking bad about you and making fun of you, like, that's just bitter behavior, and that's a reflection of them, not a reflection of you. I've definitely heard some things about people talking about me, and obviously like it makes me feel a little bit insecure here and there, but it's honestly just like, if you're sitting there making fun of me for videos that I just genuinely really love to post on social media, then that's on you. Like this is like something that I like genuinely love to do, and it's such an outlet for me because I just get to like talk, and I just love to talk, you know what I mean? If you guys really want to start posting videos on social media, truly, if anyone does care about you, they're a fan. They're a fan. They're a fan, and that's all that I have to say on that. Just post the videos. You never know where it's gonna go, and even if it doesn't really go anywhere, it's fun for you, and you love it, and that's what matters. I might not have the biggest following, but I do this because I like doing it. I don't do it for popularity. I don't do it for attention. I do it because I've been doing this shit since I was 12 in my own bedroom. You know what I mean? Like, so bitter girlies will be bitter girlies. Okay, we set our face with powder. I normally use the She Glam powder, but I'm out of that, so I had to use my Coty Airspun, which is like a flashback. But then we're using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to set my cream bronzer, and then I'm going to use the Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in the shade She's a Doll. I've been posting on TikTok now for probably close to 2 years actually now. Maybe it's only been a year, but I've been posting on TikTok a lot. I did kind of have a period where I went a little bit MIA when college started, just because I was kind of like overwhelmed. You know, I was getting used to college. It was a whole new world to me. So now that I'm obviously very settled into college, posting on TikTok is like fun for me. I think at the beginning of college, I kind of saw it as a chore almost, because I didn't really have a ton of free time. So when I was, you know, having free time, I was spending it with like my friends and my boyfriend or going out, and I was just like, TikTok is kind of a burden. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brow pencil. This is the Instant Lift brow pencil. I think it's in the shade Taupe. Maybe? In the shade Neutral Brown. But anyways, once I got settled into college and, you know, had a system for my classes, I started posting again on TikTok, and I think I just remembered like how much I loved filming videos and talking to people. Kind of went through a phase where when I was living with a roommate, I just didn't want to talk to the camera, obviously, because like it's a little awkward when, you know, you're talking to a phone screen in front of someone. It can just be a little awkward, and then they feel like they have to be like really quiet, and I just didn't want that, so I kind of stopped talking in any of my videos. It was really just either a voiceover or just music. And then I did end up moving dorms, so I actually live by myself now in my dorm, and it's been so nice for so many reasons, but really on the content creation front, like, it's been so nice to just be able to sit in my room and film what I want to film when I want to film. So yeah, that's been really fun about living alone. But I kind of ebbed and flowed at my TikTok, and then I think like now it's definitely starting to pick back up. Like, I'm really trying to get into a habit of posting every single day, which might stop again because of this whole TikTok thing or YouTube thing. I don't want to make any promises as to how often videos are going to be put out, because like I said, you know, I am in college. Like, I do school. I have other things that I need to focus on. So obviously that's all gonna come before posting on YouTube or posting to TikTok. But I want to kind of try and make the promise of one video a week on YouTube, and then maybe like 3 TikTok videos a week. By the way, I'm going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. This mascara is stunning. Can we talk about that? Like, look at my lashes right now. Do you have any suggestions? Because I don't want to do just get ready with me's on my YouTube, but I do love makeup and I love talking to people while I do my makeup. So I do want to do like some makeup tutorials, quote unquote, trying out new makeup, reviews, kind of stuff like that. Like I love doing stuff like that. But I do kind of want to keep the get ready with me on TikTok as well, because like that's what I started with on TikTok. So I feel like it's just me, you know what I mean? So if you guys have any YouTube videos you would like to see. Okay, I think I'm gonna add the Urban Decay Moon Dust in the shade Cosmic onto my lid because it just adds like the most beautiful little shine on top. It's so cute. Yeah, if you have any like content that you want to see on YouTube or even TikTok, like let me know because I am happy to take suggestions. Kind of want to do some vlogs, maybe at some point do kind of like a sit down video with Max. We're just gonna add the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump on top. The sticker left is on, not on the bottle anymore, so I don't remember what shade this is. I think it's Poppy, if I remember right. But we're gonna go ahead and put this on top. Okay, and then we're just gonna brush my hair. I straightened it yesterday and it still looks pretty good, so we're just gonna leave her as is. You know, I'm only gonna be on campus for like 3 hours, so it's not that big of a deal to me, but I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, you guys, here's what we're going with. Please don't judge my not made bed in the back, please. But we're going really casual. I just have a little like KU hoodie on, and then my pants are from Lululemon. These are single-handedly the comfiest pants I've ever put on my body. And then I just have my Air Max 90s on. So yeah, that's the final fit. I'm gonna go get some lunch because I haven't eaten today, and I'm gonna go to class. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.